Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. This is a collision situation video. Let me show you what's going on and what I'm about to do. All right, so 2022 Ford Escape SE. The impact was right there. It has smashed literally everything about 2 inches back, so I got to pull it out. I have to fix the fender, get the headlight straight, replace the bumper, all the things. First order of business is to tear it down and make sure I don't need any more parts before I start painting other parts and all that. First order of business always is to tear down. So I'm gonna get these straps off there because that's what's holding the hood down so she could drive it. And then I will start looking around and disassembling, but I wanted to show you what it looks like before I touch it. The plan is to replace this bumper cover, this headlight, and this fender. Obviously paint them. And then I've got to pull the radiator support back a little bit because that's why the hood won't latch. You can see it's about 2 inches off. The latch is right here and the striker's right there. So, all right, well, time to get to work. All right, this Ford Escape is done. I replaced that fender and this bumper cover and painted them. Had to remove this trim. All of, well, the whole bumper is like 27 different pieces, but looks pretty good. I don't hate it. We went with aftermarket bumpers, or an aftermarket bumper cover, and you can still see, well, you guys might not see, well, you definitely won't see what I see, but you can see where the bumper was folded in the box. If you look real hard right there. I also replaced that headlight. So all of that, the structure inside, everything was tweaked. So I got it pulled back into spec. Everything looks good. Everything fits properly. And she's good to go. Car needs a bath. Generally I do a detail and a polish, but when you're trying to keep the cost down and someone's paying out of pocket, well, you get what you get. Everything looks great. Very happy with this. All right, 2020 Ford Escape SE. Replaced the bumper cover, fender and headlight, and all of the plastics behind the bumper were worked, if you will. All right, if you need some body and paint, 813-846-4406. Garry Dean is my name. Rapid Ride Rehab is my business, as you can see on the sign. If you're looking for my location, my shop is 12925 US 41. The official address is Spring Hill, but it's just north of Lando Lakes. So, anyway, she's ready to go, ready to be picked up by the owner. Thank you guys for watching. If you got any questions, let me know. Again, 813-846-4406. Get you a direct line to yours truly. Have a great day, guys.